Hi, if you've made it to this video, congratulations, because you just showing up, you've already taken the next step towards your dreams. Over the last 3 videos, we talked about the real reasons we get stuck and how to build confidence, like one baby step at a time, and how to stop letting fear and doubt hold you back. But today I want to go even further, because knowing what to do is one thing, and having a step-by-step plan to follow, that's another one. That's what actually makes the difference. So let me ask you something. What would it look like if in 30 days from now, you stopped overthinking, you stopped all this excessive procrastination and perfectionism thoughts and constantly overthinking everything, but you had a fresh start on showing up for your dreams every single day? What would it feel like to look back and be like, wow, I see a real progress happening here, to feel so proud of yourself, to gain confidence in your ability to bring back and greaten and heighten your self-esteem, to get rid of some of this imposter syndrome and start creating some real momentum. That is why I created the 30-day Inspired Action Camp. I am so excited about this. I can't wait to share it with you. So this is not just another course, or it's not a challenge. It's a guided 30-day journey, you and me and a group of us all together, designed to help you break free of all this, to take consistent action and start actually creating the results that you've been dreaming about. And here's how it works. So every day for 30 days, you're going to get simple, achievable action steps to complete. These are going to be designed for you to build momentum and boost your confidence and move closer towards your goals. You're going to have powerful tools like daily prompts, a beautiful 30-day workbook that's going to be your guided journey in the end that you're going to have to move forward with even after the 30 days. You're going to have daily prompts and reflections and a tracking sheet so that you can track all of your progress. You don't even have to do it alone. You don't even have to show your face, because we're going to be doing it in school and on Telegram. You're going to be part of this amazing community. You can post all of your personal questions and struggles in there, and I'm going to get back to you and deliver in real time custom support for you to kind of break through and achieve this. So 30 days with me, customized to you and your exact journey. It's going to be amazing. You're going to be able to leave videos, or you're going to be able to leave audios, or you're going to be able to just like type messages in there. And every day I'm going to be in there sharing what our next task is, what our goals is, how to design your own plan. And we're going to come out with an actual plan at the end. And we're not just going to have the plan, but we're going to have already stuff in place, already things going on that we can be proud of doing. And every day is designed to be simple, manageable, and effective. So you can break all these goals into small steps and overcome this fear and self-doubt in real time. You're going to be building consistency and momentum even when you're feeling busy, because you can go at your own pace. You're going to make so much progress, and you're going to build and create in the routine and the habits and the self-trust to be able to keep going and know that you're creating a safe place within yourself, and you're showing your mind that you can do hard things and keep going, and that it's safe to be able to do that. You don't have to figure all of this out on your own. If you have been stuck, stagnant, spinning around watching everybody else achieve their dreams, and you want to do it in a fun and delightful and joyful kind of adult summer campy way, the 30-day Inspired Action Camp is your chance to finally take control of your future. This is going to keep you from procrastinating and overthinking, and start showing up for your dreams every single day. And it's not just about what you're going to actually accomplish in this 30 days, but it's about who you're becoming in the process of this. You're going to be following your heart, your soul, your purpose, your passion. And if you don't know what those are, you're going to be able to figure those out along this journey. So here's my invitation to you. If you're ready to stop waiting and self-doubting and start creating some actual change in your life that you see everyone else around you and on social media doing, but you just haven't been able to figure out how that's going to work for you, I'd love for you to join me in the camp. It's simple, it's fun, it's actionable, it's available at any budget pretty much, because I put it so low. The price is only going to be this for so long, and then I'm going to be doubling it and tripling it, because this program is going to be worth and so valuable, so much more than what I want to put it out there for. But I want everyone to have that opportunity that they can get in. That I want it to be that the budget is no, does not affect this in any way, and it's going to be such a no-brainer to join us. So check it out. And all you have to do is say yes to yourself and take that first step. So I'm going to leave all the videos below. If you're watching this on Instagram or something, the link will be in the bio. You can get access to everything you need to get started right away. You're going to have an email to join the Telegram group and the school group community if you're not in there already. And I'm going to be with you every step of the way. I'm going to be cheering you on. I'm going to be keeping you on track. I'm going to show you how I came from the ground up and rewrote the whole entire story of my life. And I know it can be scary, and I know how hard it is to take that first step, but I also know how powerful it is when you do. This is your time. Do not waste any more time. We only have this one life, and we only have this one moment. Like, we don't know. We're not guaranteed anything. Take it from me. I've been at the bottom. I've been scraping myself off the pavement. Let's make this happen, because we don't know how much time we have, and we've wasted so much. So come along with me. Let's not waste any more time, and let's make your dreams happen together in this 30-day inspired action camp. It's going to be so fun. Let's go.